Hi, my name is Grace from Group 3A. The title of our integrated project is Zero Waste in Malaysia Pulp and Paper Industry. Through the research in our project, pulp and paper produced in Malaysia is 1 million tonnes per year. This means that the pollution produced by pulp and paper industry will be a major problem to environment if it's not treated properly. From the research data, there is 21% of total pollutant emission is come from pulp and paper industry. Therefore, treatment of these pollutants are very important to our environment. Pulp and paper industry consists of many types of process. The example of this process are combustion, evaporation, and furnace. The main primary gas effluent come from this process are sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide. The release of primary gases into the environment will combine and form secondary and tertiary gas pollutant. In order to produce zero waste, a series of treatment processes had designed in this integrated project. The gas pollutants are emitted from pyrolysis process and boiler. To control the gas emission, an adsorption column and absorption column can be used to treat this gas effluent. An adsorption column is a more typical option to treat gas pollutant. This is because an adsorption column with a good adsorbent can remove pollutant with a higher percentage.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Amirul Hazid bin Rumaizi from Group 3A. So I'm going to discuss about waste management in pulp and paper industry. So as you can see in the poster, 20 to 100 kg COD per air dried ton of paper indicates that the wastewater produced contain high organic compound and chemicals such as sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate and calcium oxide. So with 1 million ton per year of production pulp and paper in Malaysia, if the waste management and optimization of process control in this industry is not achieved, harmful waste will be released by the industry in solid, liquid and gas. For example, I take solid. 20 to 60% solid contained in the sludge consists of wood fibers, clay, calcium carbonate and lime mud. So in this study case, the waste management and control in pulp and paper industry should be reviewed, providing critical analysis on different aspects to produce zero waste from pulp and paper industry. So waste management in pulp and paper industry are significant with, to make sure it does not pollute our environment.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nakiuddin Azhari from Group 3A. So today I'll be talking about conceptual design for our zero waste project in pulp and paper industry. So first of all, we will taking into a debugging section. So most of the solid waste come from this debugging section. So therefore, this solid waste will send to fuel process unit to remove its moisture content, and then it will be dried, and then it will be molded to become a fuel for any heat generation unit. Next, we will collect every wastewater from each unit and then send to the wastewater treatment, and then the water from the wastewater treatment will be reused again in our main process line. So we'll continue with process control in pulp and paper industry. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hilmizan bin Ramli. So today in this video, I will explain to you on how process control is implemented in our conceptual design to have a zero waste in pulp and paper industry, especially in Malaysia. Stay tuned. First implementation is at refuse bark process unit. Here, controller is used to control the energy needed for the dryer to dry the refuse bark so that they have low enough moisture for combustion. The transmitter in the refuse bark tank will measure the mass and moisture content of the bark, then it will transmit the signal to the controller. Then, controller will control just enough amount of heat required to reduce the moisture content in the dryer. Next, controller is used at the heat exchanger for the steam production from wastewater to control the outlet temperature of the heat exchanger. Transmitter will detect the outlet temperature of treated and collected wastewater as mentioned before. Then, it will give an output to the controller to supply just sufficient amount of heat energy to heat up the water to be used again in the main process unit.